Okay, here's my Renault 10. People might say, why? I don't know why. I just like them for some reason. Four-wheel disc brakes, pretty good. Car of the year, Wheels Car of the Year. Not sure exactly the year, but I think one of the first cars of the year they awarded was to the Renault 10. Engine in the back, water-cooled, not air-cooled. And yeah. That's the mighty power plant right there. You see the... There we go. There's the radiator. Thought it was quite dangerous with the French. You got the fuel filler right here. You got the hot engine here. At least they had the common sense to not do it on the manifold side, but you've got the distributor there. The jack, you can see down here. Got this car a while ago, and it's been in storage. It had to be shipped, so it's nice and rust-free, which is good. Oh, this is a very elaborate hinge there. Look at that. Still works though. It's not bad considering it's from the 60s. It's got reversing lights. Like I said, forward disc brakes. Got its original hubcaps. So oh yeah, the seat needs reupholstering. Spare wheel. It's an odd place for it. That's meant to go under the bonnet. But it's got a spare engine, I believe, in the front. So those seats need doing, and then obviously I'm gonna get the trim sorted out on it. Yeah, it needs to be retrimmed. I wonder what that's going to cost. These door trims, where are they? I wasn't aware that these panels are missing. I hope they're in the car somewhere. I don't want to have to try and replace those little things. Got these little door pulls. Everyone was smoking back then. It smells old. Doors closed nicely. Doesn't have a cup holder, but it has got a cup. Okay, so it's missing two of these. Okay, so they're not in the car. I might have to try and locate some of those. Here's that's not the sports instruments, I guess off the S, I think it is. I'm not sure what that is. A vent, is it? What is that? I have no idea what that is. What is that, anyone? Anyone tell me? A storage compartment? There's a little glove box here. Well, that just goes straight through. And you've got another storage area down here. Okay, interesting. Crash pad. It's pretty cool in a weird way. I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't like it. Reclining seat. Grab handles because of the huge performance that you'd expect out of a car like this. Interestingly enough, they're on all doors. This is where all the storage is. It's actually got a huge boot, but this is in the front of the car. So they put the engine in here. It's a spare engine block. I believe this is the original engine block from the car, and it's got like an S, or like the sports model engine in it, which is same capacity but more power. I think different carburetor or something. So needs to be vacuumed out here. You can see all this crap that's there. It's not rusty though. The cowl and everything looks pretty good. I'm liking these wire hinges. These stays, if you look at that. It's apparently got a good battery, or the green lights on. Yeah, it's not rusty down here, so this looks actually pretty good. No brakes. Okay, well, that's something that needs to be sorted. Ah, it looks pretty good, I reckon. It's kind of what I expected. Those door trims, I'm going to ask where these are. I didn't know they were missing. Because I don't know how easy they are to get, although I'm sure I can find them. Bit of rust here. That needs to be fixed. Odd place. I assume this is where they welded it. It doesn't look too bad though. But I mean, the car looks reasonably straight, and it's not rusty. The quarters look good. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, Renault 10. There you go. Another French car. Added to the Citroens, and another French car I've got, which I haven't talked about yet, which is coming soon.